Introducing VIM. In this video, we are going to see about introducing VIM. The combination of a more liberal licensing model and the fact that VIM started to become a superset of VI's functionality resulted in it becoming progressively more popular with the open source community. Soon, more and more Linux distributions started to adopt VIM as an alternative to VI. Even if the users thought they used VI, that is, if they actually executed the VI command, they opened VIM, that is, the VI command had simply been substituted with a link to the VIM command, which has often led to the misunderstanding that VI and VIM are actually the same program. VIM is a feature-rich, fully configurable editor loved by many. It supports syntax highlighting for more than 200 different programming languages, auto-completion for a fast-growing number of languages, folding, undo or redo, multiple buffers or windows or tabs, and a lot of other features. VIM. The editor VIM is the golden child of the VI family. The result of this was the VIM went beyond simply being a clone of VI for a different platform to becoming a competitor. The development of VIM was quick and fast, and soon VIM had a range of features that the original VI editor did not have. Because of this, the abbreviation VIM was at some point changed into being VI improved instead of VI imitation. Within a couple of years, VIM grew to having a range of features that a lot of VI users missed. This made more and more users switch over to using VIM instead of VI as their primary editor. Now, it was possible for the user to write their own scripts for VIM and in that way expand the functionality of the editor. This was a really strong addition to the feature set of VIM because it would normally have required coding in a lower level language and recompilation of the editor in order to add even simple features. A lot of features have been added to VIM throughout the last decade, and many of these are quite unique compared to the other editors and VI clones in particular. Here, we will list just a few of the more distinct features of VIM, since the complete feature list would be too long. Editing multiple files in multiple buffers, windows, and tabs. Advanced scripting language. Support for scripting in Perl and Python. Syntax highlighting for 200 plus programming languages. Unlimited undo or redo with branching. Context-aware completion of words and functions. Advanced pattern matching with regular expressions. Close integration with a wide range of compilers, interpreters, and debuggers. More than 1,500 VIM scripts freely available online. VIM is available for an enormous variety of platforms like all types of Unix, Linux, MS-DOS, MS Windows, Amiga OS, Atari Mint, OS/2, OS 390, Mac OS, OpenVMS, RISC-OS, and QNX. VIM, a model editor. In this video, we are going to see about VIM, a model editor. VIM is a model editor. It has two modes. One is insert and another one is normal. In insert mode, your keystrokes become part of the document. Normal mode is used to control the editing session. For example, if you type an I while in normal mode, it switches you to insert mode. By switching back and forth between these two modes, you create and edit your document. To start a test file, navigate to your desktop and type. Rather than opening another window, VIM opens in the terminal, which can get confusing if you're not used to it. VIM opens in normal mode, meaning that you cannot edit the file right away. To do so, you must enter insert mode by typing I. The word insert will appear at the bottom left, a handy way of reminding you whether you are in insert or normal mode. When you're done typing, press the escape key to return to normal mode. In normal mode, you can move around the document with the arrow keys just as you can in insert mode. But you can't change or add anything until you type I. To save a file, make sure you are in normal mode by pressing the escape key at least once. Then type W, that is without the quotes, and press enter. To save and exit at the same time, type X, again without quotes, and press enter. VIM takes a lot of getting used to, and many people have trouble adjusting to the two different modes of operation. VIM Basics. In this video, we are going to see about VIM Basics. The VI editor is a very powerful tool and has a very extensive built-in manual, which you can activate using the help command when the program is started, instead of using man or info, which don't contain nearly as much information. What makes VI confusing to the beginner is that it can operate in two modes, command mode and insert mode. The editor always starts in command mode. Command move you through the text, search, replace, mark blocks and perform other editing tasks, and some of them switch the editor to insert mode. This means that each key has not one, but likely two meanings. It can either represent a command for the editor when in command mode, or a character that you want in a text when in insert mode. Some of the basic commands moving through the text are H to move the cursor to the left, I to move it to the right, K to move up, J to move down. Opening a file in VIM. In this video, we are going to see about opening a file in VIM. By default, When VIM starts, you cannot simply type to enter text because VIM starts in normal mode, that is sometimes called command mode. In normal mode, you can enter commands, for example, to copy, delete, or indent text. You return to normal mode from other modes by pressing the escape key. You can enter insert mode from normal mode by pressing the I key. Now, text you type will be inserted. You can enter visual mode from normal mode by pressing the V key. That starts a visual selection. There are several more ways to enter insert mode, depending on where you want to insert the text. I. Insert at current location. A. Insert after current location, that is append. I. Insert at start or current line. A. Insert after end of current line. Small o. Insert line below current line, that is open. Capital O. Insert line above current line. Small s. Delete character under cursor and start inserting in its place, that is substitute text. Capital S. Delete all text on line and start inserting in its place, that is substitute line. Capital C. Delete from the cursor to the end of line and start inserting at the cursor position. For example, starting in normal mode, if you press A, then type hello and press escape, you will append hello to the end of the current line. If you move to another line and press, you will append hello to that line as well, that is, repeats the last operation. If you had used I, that is instead of A, the hello would have been inserted at the start of the line and pressing would repeat that operation. Editing the existing file. In this video, we are going to see about editing the existing file. Step 1. Type VIM file name, that is, edit the existing file named file name. Step 2. Move around the file using H or J or K or L key or any appropriate command. H moves the cursor one character to the left. I moves the cursor one character to the right. K moves the cursor up one line. J moves the cursor down one line. NG or N cursor goes to the specified end line. Example, 10G goes to line 10. Step 3. Edit required text, that is replace or delete or insert. Step 4. Hit escape key, that is exit from insert mode if you insert or replace text. Step 5. Type WQ. Saving a file and exiting VIM. In this video, we are going to see about saving a file and exiting VIM. Save the current file by entering W, which always writes the file even if it has not changed, or update, that is, which only writes the file if it has changed. That is, press escape to enter normal mode if necessary, then press the key, then the W key, then press enter. If VIM indicates a problem, that is, for example, the file was flagged as read-only in vim, or the file has been modified by another program since you began editing. You can use W to force vim to write the file anyway. If you are not editing an existing file, that is, for example, if you launched vim with no arguments, you will need to provide a file name when you save. You can do this with a W file name or save as file name, for example, wmyfile.txt. After saving your changes, you can quit vim with Q, or the saving and quitting can be combined into one operation with WQ or X. If you want to discard any changes, enter Q to quit vim without saving. It is possible to have more than one file open in vim, and there are commands for saving or quitting when working with multiple files. WA, write all changed files, that is, save all changes. XA, exit all, that is, save all changes and close vim. QA, quit all, that is, close vim but not if there are unsaved changes. QA, quit all, close vim without saving, discard any changes. A buffer is an area used by vim to store a collection of text. Usually, a buffer has an associated file. To start, a buffer is filled by reading its file, and the buffer can be saved by writing to its file. A file is read into a buffer when you start vim with a file name argument, for example, vim myfile.txt, or when you issue the E file name, that is, edit command within vim. Using command mode. In this video, we are going to see about using command mode. Vim is an editor to create or edit a text file. There are three modes in vim: insert mode, command mode, visual mode. Insert mode. Most keystrokes are inserted as text, that is, leaving out those with modifier keys. Command mode. All keystrokes are interpreted as commands. Visual mode helps to visually select some text, may be seen as a submode of the command mode. To switch from the insert or visual mode to the command mode, type escape. To switch from the command mode to the insert mode, type 1 off. I switch to insert mode before the current position. A switch to insert mode after the current position, that is, append. I jump to the first non-blank character in the current line and switch to the insert mode. A jump to the last character of the current line and switch to the insert mode. Small o, open up a new line following the current line and add text there. Capital O, open up a new line in front of the current line and add text there. To switch from the command mode to the visual mode, type 1 off. Small v, switch to the visual mode, that is, character oriented. Capital V, switch to the visual mode, that is, line oriented. Control V, switch to the block visual mode, that is, select rectangles of text. All commands that take a range, for example, substitution, delete, copy, or indentation, work with the visual mode too. movement. Obviously, these commands work only in the command mode. Of course, you can also use the cursor keys in all three modes. VIM distinguishes between screen lines, that is, those shown on the monitor, and real lines, that is, those ended with a new line. So here the most important commands: H, move left; I, move right; K, move up; J, move down. NG or N, cursor goes to the specified end line. Power F, that is CTRIF, forward screen full. Power B, backward screen full. Power small f, one page forward. Power small b, one page backward. Power U, up half screen full. Power D, down half screen full. Dollar symbol, make cursor to the end of current line. 0, move cursor to the beginning of current line. W, forward one word. Small b, backward one word. 0, first column of the line. Power, first non-blank character of the line. Small w, jump to next word. Capital W, jump to next word, ignore punctuation. Small e, jump to word end. Capital E, jump to word end, ignore punctuation. Small b, jump to word beginning. Capital B, jump to word beginning, ignore punctuation. GE, jump to previous word ending. G capital E, jump to previous word ending, ignore punctuation. G capital E, jump to previous word ending, ignore punctuation. Dollar symbol, jump to the last character of the line. Editing. Inserting text is pretty simple in VIM. Just type I and start typing. But VIM offers quite sophisticated text editing commands. Small d, delete the characters from the cursor position up the position given by the next command. For example, D dollar symbol deletes all character from the current cursor position up to the last column of the line. Small c, change the character from the cursor position up to the position indicated by the next command. Small x, delete the character under the cursor. Capital X, delete the character before the cursor, that is backspace. Small y, copy the characters from the current cursor position up to the position indicated by the next command. Small p, paste previous deleted or yanked, that is copied text after the current cursor position. Capital P, paste previous deleted or yanked, that is copied text before the current cursor position. Small r, replace the current character with the newly typed one. Small s, substitute the text from the current cursor position up to the position given by the next command with the newly typed one. Repeat the last insertion or editing command, that is X, D, P goes on. Doubling D, C or Y operates on the whole line. For example, YY copies the whole line. Exit. WQ, write file to disk and quit the editor. Q, quit, that is no warning. Q, quit, that is a warning is printed if a modified file has not been saved. ZZ, save workspace and quit the editor, that is same as WQ. Text deletion commands. X, delete character. DW, delete word from cursor on. DB, delete word backward. DD, delete line. D dollar symbol, delete to end of line. D power, D caret, not control D, delete to beginning of line. File manipulation commands. W. Write workspace to original file. W. File write workspace to named file. E. File start editing a new file. R. File read contents of a file to the workspace. Moving around. In this video, we are going to see about moving around. Here are some basic movement commands that are such as E. Move to the end of a word. W. Move forward to the beginning of a word. 3W. Move forward 3 words. Capital W. Move forward a word, that is any non-white space characters. B. Move backward to the beginning of a word. 3B. Move backward 3 words. $. Move to the end of the line. 0. Move to the beginning of the line. Negation. Move to the first non-blank character of the line. Close bracket. Jump forward 1 sentence. Open bracket. Jump backward 1 sentence. Close brace. Jump forward 1 paragraph. Open brace. Jump backward 1 paragraph. J. Jump forward 1 line. K. Jump backward 1 line. H. Jump to the top of the screen. M. Jump to the middle of the screen. L. Jump to the bottom of the screen. 10. Page up, or 10. Control B. Move 10 pages up. 5. Page down, or 5. Control F. Move 5 pages down. G. Jump to end of file. 1G. Jump to beginning of file, that is same as GG. 50G. Jump to line 50. MX. Set mark X at the current cursor position. X. Jump to the beginning of the line of mark X. X. Jump to the cursor position of mark X. 2 single quotes. Return to the line where the cursor was before the latest jump, that is 2 single quotes. 2 back ticks. Return to the cursor position before the latest jump, that is undo the jump. 2 back ticks. This is above the tab key on some keyboards. Jump to the last changed line. Percentage. Jump to corresponding item, example, from an open brace to its matching closing brace. Search and replace. In this video, we are going to see about search and replace. The most fundamental search and replace command in VIM is substitute, which is almost always shortened to S. By default, this operates on the first march on the current line, and it is used in the form S/search/replace/. On some systems, GVIM has find and replace on the edit menu, that is help, prompt, REPL. However, it is easier to use the S command due to its command line history and ability to insert text, that is, for example, the word under the cursor, into the search or replace fields. Basic search and replace. The substitute command searches for a text pattern and replaces it with a text string. There are many options, but these are what you probably want. %s/FOO/BAR/G. Find each occurrence of FOO, that is in all lines, and replace it with bar. S/FOO/BAR/G. Find each occurrence of FOO, that is in the current line only, and replace it with bar. %s/FOO/BAR/GC. Change each FOO to bar, but ask for confirmation first. %s/FOO/bar/GC. Change only whole words exactly matching FOO to bar. Ask for confirmation. %s/FOO/BAR/GCI. Change each FOO, that is case insensitive due to the I flag, to bar. Ask for confirmation. %s/FOO/C/BAR/GC is the same because /C makes the search case insensitive. This may be wanted after using set no ignore case to make searches case sensitive, that is the default. %s/FOO/BAR/GCL. Change each FOO, that is case sensitive due to the I flag, to bar. Ask for confirmation. %s/FOO/C/BAR/GC is the same because /C makes the search case sensitive. This may be wanted after using set ignore case to make searches case insensitive. Example. Here's a brief explanation of how this VIM search and replace command works. The character says put VIM in last line mode. The string $1 means from the first line of the file to the last line of the file. The S character means swap the first pattern, that is Raj, with the second pattern Ram. The / characters enclose the pattern I am trying to match. In this case, it's a very simple sequence of characters, but it can also be a more complicated regular expression. The G at the end of the command says perform this command globally, where in this case globally means for every occurrence you find on one line. Manipulating text. In this video we are going to see about manipulating text. Several commands are available for manipulating text. Table lists common options used to change text. Notice that these commands are case sensitive. For example, the C command is executed by pressing the Shift and C keys simultaneously. Undoing changes. In this video, we are going to see about undoing changes. If you delete a character, line or word by mistake or give any command you want to reverse, give the command U, that is undo immediately after the command you want to undo. The VIM editor will restore the text to the way it was before you gave the last command. If you give the U command again, VIM will undo the command you gave before the one it just undid. You can use this technique to back up over many of your actions. With the compatible parameters set, however, VIM can undo only the most recent change. If you undo a command you did not mean to undo, give a redo command, Ctrl R or redo, that is followed by a return. The VIM editor will redo the undone command. As with the undo command, you can give the redo command many times in a row. Visual mode. In this video, we are going to see about visual mode. Typing V causes VIM to enter visual mode. You can then highlight a block of text and then execute a VIM editing command such as dy or greater than on it. For example, let's highlight a block of text starting with V and then moving the cursor. Visual selection is a common feature in applications, but VIM's visual selection has several benefits. Cut and paste, copy and paste. Position the cursor at the beginning of the text you want to cut or copy. Press V to begin character-based visual selection or V to select whole lines or Ctrl V or Ctrl Q to select a block. Move the cursor to the end of the text to be cut or copied. While selecting text, you can perform searches and other advanced movement. Press D or delete to cut or Y, that is yank, to copy. Move the cursor to the desired paste location. Press P to paste after the cursor or P to paste before. Visual selection, that is steps 1-3, can be performed using a mouse. Pasting over a block of text. You can copy a block of text by pressing Ctrl V or Ctrl Q if you use Ctrl V for paste, then moving the cursor to select and pressing Y to yank. Now you can move elsewhere and press P to paste the text after the cursor or P to paste before. The paste inserts a block, that is, which might, for example, be 4 rows by 3 columns of text. Instead of inserting the block, it is also possible to replace, that is, paste over the destination. To do this, move to the target location, then press 1VP, that is, 1V selects an area equal to the original and P pastes over it. Note that this will only work if you actually did something to the previous visual selection, such as a yank, delete, or change operation. Using multiple windows in VIM. In this video, we are going to see about using multiple windows in VIM. VIM edits all its files in a single window, showing just one buffer at a time as you move between files or to different parts of a single file. But VIM also offers multi-window editing, which can make complex editing tasks easier. This is different from starting multiple instances of VIM on a graphical terminal. You can initiate your editing session with multiple windows or create new windows after a session starts. You can add windows to your edit session up to the limit imposed by Sanity, and you can delete them back to a single edit window. Here are some examples where multiple windows make your life easier. Editing a number of files that need to be formatted the same way, where you would like to compare them visually as you go along. Cutting and pasting text quickly and repeatedly among multiple files or multiple parts of a single file. Displaying one part of a file for reference to facilitate work elsewhere in the same file. Comparing two versions of a file. VIM offers many window managing convenience features, including the ability to split windows horizontally or vertically, navigate from one window to another and back again quickly, copy and move text to and from multiple windows, move and reposition windows, work with buffers including hidden buffers, use external tools such as the diff command with multiple windows. We guide you through the multi-window experience. We show you how to start a multi-window session, discuss features and tips for the edit session, and describe how to exit your work and ensure that all your work is properly saved. The following topics are covered: initializing or starting multi-window editing, multi-window X commands, moving the cursor from window to window, moving windows around the display, resizing windows, buffers and their interaction with windows, tabbed editing, that is like the tabs offered by modern internet browsers and dialog boxes, closing and quitting windows. Learning more from VIM. In this video, we are going to see about learning more from VIM. One edits a file in VI by issuing the command vi file to edit.txt. The VI editor has three modes: command mode, insert mode, and command line mode. Command mode. Letters or sequence of letters interactively commands. VI commands are case sensitive. The escape key can end a command. Insert mode. Text is inserted. The escape key ends insert mode and returns you to command mode. One can enter insert mode with the I, that is insert A, insert after capital A, insert at end of line small o, open new line after current line, or capital O, open line above current line commands. Command line mode. One enters this mode by typing, which puts the command line entry at the foot of the screen. Advanced VI features. Marking a line. Any line can be bookmarked for a quick cursor return. VI named line buffers. Storage buffers can be named with letters of the alphabet AZ. VIM. Shift a block of code left or right. Enter into visual mode by typing the letter V at the top or bottom of the block of text to be shifted. Move the cursor to the bottom or top of the block of text using J, K or the arrow keys.